Kekere, Paul and Johnson, you people should come and sit down here. I want to correct you. Stop using that wrong English you like using. Even though some of them do sit for pigeon anyway. But let's start. Number one, that's what they call biscuits. No be biscuit then they call them. The name, the engineering name, na concrete cover.
Oh my God! Wow!
It's concrete cover. And do you know the usefulness? I know, so you don't even know the usefulness. Now why do they call them biscuits? The usefulness of concrete cover is to prevent that steel from corrosion. And if there is an incident of fire, that steel can withstand a reasonable number of hours depending on the size of your concrete cover. So it is very important. Kekere, no, they call them again biscuits, call them concrete cover. Another mistake you people do again is, especially you Paul.
Is that Chris?
Every time I'll be hearing you calling it coaches. 1 coach of block, 2 coach of block. I know see the sweet for pigeon, but the real thing is course. 3 courses of block, 4 courses of block, 5 courses of block. If they use your coach the way they use them for your pigeon, no problem. But if I catch you, I will deal with you. The next thing again, where they hear when they talk, I'll hear somebody say, we casted that slab yesterday. Who told you it is casted? What did you cast it?
70 years old man.
Where did you learn that English from? There is nothing like casted. It is cast.
You were not informed too?
We cast that slab yesterday. We did the casting yesterday. That slab has been cast. That column has been cast. Not has been casted. You know they cast anything go anywhere. Yeah? So I believe you've learned that one. Then the next thing again, that thing what they call binding wire. Even though it is sweet, sha, but the engineering name for them is ties. Ties, iron ties. Now the real name be that. So but I go still leave you since you they call them your binding wire. Mostly they call them like that they go. But you see the other one, so I don't tell you make it correct. Correct that. Make me know that. Damn proof course. That's what they call DPC. Good. I want to expatiate a little on DPC. Okay, the essence of DPC is not just about DPC as you sabi. Maybe they call it you don't do DPC. Once you do DPC, we continue. Inside your DPC, there's what we call DPM, damp-proof membrane. What is the function of damp-proof membrane? Is to prevent moisture from soaking the walls, soaking the floor. So when you're doing your DPC, which is your damp-proof course, when you're doing your damp-proof course, don't forget to put a damp-proof membrane. A damp-proof membrane is typically made of polystyrene material or bitumen. But when you're doing your DPC, a normal casting of your DPC floor, what you should be using is polyethylene material. That is the best material for you to use. That will help to prevent moisture from moving upward into the walls or even to the base of your DPC. So most of the time after people build a house, you discover that the house is always very cold, there is dampness. And all of these things is not really good to our health. It's not good at all. So when you're building a house and you don't put these things, you discover that over a period of time, especially during rainy season, you start seeing dampness on your walls, and you start seeing bacteria and fungi, growing all around the edges of your wall from the base. This is the cause of it, okay? So, but if you do a proper DPC with your DPM in place, you will never have these issues, okay? So, you, Kekere, advise your client. I know some of those clients, they are always stubborn. Our clients, some of them are very stubborn. They will say, don't worry, just do it like that. There is no money. Tomorrow now, you'll be calling somebody, why is my house leaking? Why is everywhere soaking? Why is this one? But now, the simple thing that you would have done with just how much, just to buy that thin material to put in that layer to prevent moisture from going up, you will not do it.
Are you normal? Are you normal?
So today, I want us to correct this thing. It is very important. Another important thing I want to correct now is there's difference between a bricklayer and a mason.
What the fuck is going on, baby?
Bricklayer only knows how to lay bricks and other concrete works, just general concrete works with bricks. The concept of masonry is broad. Do you understand? A mason has an idea of bricklaying. He even has an idea of carpentry. He has an idea of iron work. They have that idea. Vast knowledge about building construction material and can use any of them at any time. It is not particularly about bricks. Okay, but those who are bricklayers, the concentration is mainly on bricks, whether it is normal blocks, 9 inches, or whatever type of bricks you're using. That is it. And there is also a difference between bricks and blocks.